Welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesday. It's where I will share everything real estate related under 2 minutes every Tuesday. Welcome back to another session of Quick Tip Tuesday. We are on number 10 and today I'm gonna make it quick, under 2 minutes. I know our last few totally went over again. I really need to stop doing that, but let's dive right into it. This is a tip for first-time home buyers and also if you are a seasoned buyer, but your first time buying a Strata property. Let's get into it. Let's hit the clock. Okay, so quick tip here. If you're a first-time home buyer or if it's your first time buying a Strata property, one of the most important things, there's so many things that are important when buying a Strata property, is the main thing is Strata documents. You have to read them. Strata documents is where they record everything with the minutes. They have meetings. You know, put it in really simple terms is it's basically a report about the whole building, about maybe a particular unit. If there's complaints or if there's incident that happened, everything is recorded, jot down with the Strata document. That's what they call it, as everything. And you will have a document pertaining also the unit itself that you're thinking about buying. It's called the Form B. So I won't get too much details on each report, but overall, Strata documents is where you'll find a bit of the history, depending how many years you have when requesting the documents. Is usually typical the last 2 years. So it gives you a rundown about the building, gives you a report and how the condition of the building is, and if there's any projects coming up, if it's the older build, and if it's near one, you don't have to worry so much about if you're to buy something that's 30 years old, 25 years old, but it's good to read them. So keeping it very simple is, if you're a first-time home buyer or first time buying a Strata property, you have to read the document. I understand that you trust your agent to read it, and sometimes it's not like you can't trust your agent, but I would recommend you to read it, is because sometimes some agents don't read it. I don't know who, right? But I know there's some agents that don't read it. There are really good other agents out there that would read those minutes, those Strata documents, but the reason why I recommend you to read it is because at least you know what you're getting to, what you're buying, and how the building is. And if you have any questions, you can ask your realtor. And that's the most important, is that you know your purchase and what you're paying for and what you're buying. And there might be something in the minutes or this report, something that you actually do not like. It might not even about the building, it could be the neighbors. There's something that you might have an issue with, and instead of just trusting the realtor just to read it and you buying it, and after that you found out that there might be an issue. That is just a small tip, that please read the Strata documents. And I understand that it's a long read. Don't be afraid. Get your realtor to help you out. Get your realtor to point out the most important parts to actually go over with you quickly. That's their job. That's my job to do that. So anyways, that's it for Quick Tip Tuesday. I hope that tip has added value to you. So if you can give it a like, give it a share, that'll be awesome. Again, my name is Vince Lim, and I'm with Van City Experts Real Estate Group, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.